Hey, Ted Matera here from Church of Christ, Wetaskiwin City, located at 4807 50th Avenue, Main Street, just across the City Hall. Inviting every one of you to join us in our Sunday worship with our series about excellence. This Sunday we'll be dealing with Daniel, a man who is commended as a man with an excellent spirit. An 80-year-old man serving the government king's palace for more than 50 years, commended with a remarkable spirit of excellence. They tried to dig up dirt in his life only to find out his perfect stewardship, accountability, and integrity. He is blameless in conducting his profession and have an absolute confidence in God. This Sunday, we would like to see how and what it looked like to be a man with an excellent spirit. We are inviting every one of you, come join us this Sunday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Again, the address is 4807 50th Avenue, Main Street, the church just across City Hall of Wetaskiwin City. God bless. See ya.